Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with the daily stock market, and look at that. The public account is now almost $80,000, 79 to be exact, and we're up nearly $30,000, $29,000 in just the past 12 months alone, which is around a 60% gain just on the public account, not even on the private account also. So we are absolutely killing the market this year. However, in this video, we're going to be talking all about Nvidia stock. Everyone's wondering if it's a buy at $119, $120 per share. We have them down around 8% in the past week, by the way. We're also going to talk about Tesla stock in this video and some other stocks, so make sure you stay throughout the very end of the video and smash a big thumbs up if you appreciate this kind of content. Now, if you want to follow along with my trades and make some money in the stock market and join the private trading group where we've made hundreds of thousands of dollars together, go ahead and navigate to the highlights section of my Instagram. The daily stock market, by the way, 235,000 followers. Click on Success 2024 and read through some of those positive testimonials. So we've helped thousands of students make extra $100 or $1,000 every single week consistently. And you could definitely be one of our next success stories. We can even see I love it. I got back into the stock market just last week to see what I can get. Doubled up in 1 week, over 70% gains, and the list goes on and on. There's countless success stories. Another one, $3,400 made. So message me here at the daily stock market. I do only have a few more slots available right now. So first up, let's talk about what's going on with Nvidia and if their stock price is going to be going a little bit higher or if it's a little bit overvalued at this point. We can see the stock is down in the past week. We already went over that. However, they're still up around 25% from August lows to August highs. And in the last 3 months, they're relatively flat. However, they have gained 6% roughly in the past 3 months. Obviously, year to date, they are one of the best stocks in the S&P 500, up 142%. And in the last 12 months, it's looking pretty similar as well. Last August through the new year of 2024, they did plateau. They didn't really move much, consolidated. They actually went down around 3%. So 2024 has really been their year, although 2023 was also a great year for Nvidia because we saw the stock rise as much as 100 or 200% in 2023 also. So the question is, was the rest of the year entail for 2024, and is 2025 going to be another huge growth year for Nvidia? So here we have a notable analyst called this week, Nvidia, and some other stock updates as well. We can see Nvidia grabs spotlight as Wall Street views results guidance as drop the mic moment. Nvidia posted second quarter results today, guidance that topped estimates on Thursday, with the analyst calling it a mic drop moment. Morgan Stanley analysts raised its price target to $150 per share from $144 and reiterated his overweight rating. More, the analyst said it's a very strong quarter for Nvidia. Okay, so we have analysts with price targets higher than the current price of $120 per share, keep in mind. We have another analyst who raised his price target to $140 per share from $120 per share, saying there are more concerns about the gross margin outlook, but overall the results and guidance were largely consistent with the expectations. He reiterated his strong buy rating of the stock, and we have a third analyst raising its price target to $155 per share from $130 per share, and said that the commentary around Blackwell is very encouraging. And if we go ahead and take a look into more analysts and what their thoughts are, we have some top 25 analyst predictions in this video. So make sure you smash a big thumbs up because we got these analyst opinions. And all the top 25 analysts have it above $145 per share or higher. And it looks like the one that put $145 per share, he just raised it to $148 per share. So that's the lowest out of these top 25 analysts. We have 4 of those analysts, $150 per share, $200 per share. And on average, we have analysts saying that $151 per share in the next 12 months is a very reasonable price outlook for Nvidia. Now, that's only a 27% upside in the next 12 months, which I'm saying only like it's a small amount. That's a very, very great return for the next 12 months. However, with something like Nvidia, a lot of people are used to 100%, 150% gains over the course of 12 months. However, the next 12 months, the future 12 months, I wouldn't expect as crazy returns on the stock price as we've seen in the past. However, a 20-30% gain on the stock price is extremely realistic in the next 12 months. Now, we also have some more analysts as I scroll down, $180 per share. Some more top 25 analysts with $165 per share, $150 per share, $155 per share. These are all 5-star analysts, by the way, who just reiterated these price targets after the earnings report. These are all reiterated just 4 days ago. Another top 25 analyst, the only one that's actually moved it down from 142.67 to $140 per share. Still a bullish outlook overall in the next 12 months. And we rarely see any analysts with a price target below $150 per share on Nvidia for the next 12 months. So yes, the short term is very exciting for Nvidia, and newer all-time highs could definitely be hit. But however, we see that long term, especially 12, 24, 36 months in the future, is where it should be getting extremely exciting for Nvidia investors. So let's talk about Tesla stock, now at $213 per share. And in the last month, it's been pretty volatile. Remember, it was as high as $235 per share. And then in the span of just a few weeks, we actually saw them go down 17% and then follow that up with a 15% rise, and then follow that up with another 8% fall. So it's been pretty volatile just in the last 1 month. And in the last 3 months, it's been even more volatile with around a 50%, 55% rise in just the span of 1 month from June 11th to July 10th. Remember, we saw them as low as $170 per share. And personally, that's where I like to see Tesla stock, under $175 per share. And if you can get them closer to 150, that's where I like to buy the heaviest personally. Okay. Tesla was $142 per share on April 22nd. That was our only chance really to buy them under $150 per share in 2024. Okay, so we had a brief moment in April. There is a chance that we'll see them under $200 per share again. However, we could see a rise up to around $250 per share before we see a dip back down on Tesla. Remember, analysts are really split on Tesla stock. Let's actually take a look into that. We can see analysts are super split, with some analysts have them as high as $310 per share. On average, we have them at $205 per share in analyst eyes over the next 12 months. And we even have one analyst that has them as low as $24 per share, which is pretty much a joke. I don't know why anyone would ever put them that low. The biggest risk is probably like $120 per share, but $25 per share, that is outrageous. So moving on, we can see that these were just reiterated in the past 2 weeks. We also don't have the best analysts predicting and doing price targets for Tesla right now. So definitely take this with a grain of salt. We have 4-star analysts, $310 per share. 4.5-star analysts, $197 per share. We have a top 25 analyst with a $210 price target. So when it comes to Tesla, it's not the best thing to look at analysts because they're extremely split, and not too many analysts are covering them at this moment in time. However, this was an interesting article I want to share with you guys. Tesla, Meta, Lucid, Supermicro, plus predictions on Dogecoin bull run starting in early September. Tesla vehicles in Colorado can cost as low as $14,780 after incentives, driving significant savings. Supermicro faces allegations of accounting manipulation and governance issues, leading to the stock's decline. Now, Supermicro, if we don't talk about them too much in this video, definitely make sure you're subscribed because we're going to be talking about them in the next video, deep dive, because their stock is down around 50% from highs and they have a PE ratio of around 25, which implies that it's a great deal right now and it is a great AI stock. Okay, so some bulls of this week coming up. We can see Tesla's one. A Tesla car can cost less than $20,000 if you live in Colorado. Elon Musk agrees it has best EV incentives in the country. Another bull of the week to watch out for is Dogecoin, right now forming a bottom. It's posed for a bull run starting early September, says this analyst. Shares that a crypto analyst predicted Dogecoin may begin a bull run in early September, potentially increasing its price target to 31 cents by the end of the year, based on historical cycles. And another bull of the week, we have a Lucid Air EV, okay, reveals that a third-party retrofit of the Lucid Group Lucid Air Sapphire has transformed into an armored vehicle with advanced defense features, costing $475,000, making it the fastest armored car on the planet. I wouldn't really say that's a too bullish of an article, but some of the other ones are definitely interesting. Some bears of the week, Supermicro computer stock falls on short report. We already kind of went over why. There's a lot of allegations going on. SMCI engaged in account manipulation, sibling self-dealing, and sanction evasions, causing the stock to drop as many investors react to concerns about the company's governance and compliance, which I think is probably a good thing for long-term investors because it's going to draw the stock price down. However, it's not a long-term issue, especially if they correct that stuff and get the right people in charge and the CEO figures out where they went wrong, because that's a pretty easy fix. It's not like the balance sheet is underwater or their revenue is depleting or they lost all their money or anything like that. So in my opinion, it's good for short term to draw down the price. Now I am going to do a full video on cryptocurrency this month for September. So make sure you're subscribed to my cryptocurrency channel. It's the daily cryptocurrency. We have the daily stock market and the daily cryptocurrency. So they're both extremely easy to find on Instagram and YouTube. But we can see a crypto trader predicts a significant price surge for Dogecoin starting soon. Movement of 118.9 million Dogecoin from an unknown wallet to Binance. Okay, so make sure you're subscribed there so we could go over the full article together and some other good details on cryptocurrency. Thank you guys so much for making it to the very end of the video. Make sure you like this video if you appreciated the content. Subscribe on YouTube so you don't miss out on any full-length videos, and message me the daily stock market if you want to join the close friends list, my private trading group, where I show exactly what I'm buying, how much I'm buying, what stocks I'm buying. We even do option trading, strike prices, expiration dates. They're all included with this program. So that way you could turn from a beginner trader to an advanced trader in a short period of time and start making some money with the stock market. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.